My name is Abigail and it is signed this way: Abigail. Abigail. I am a sign language instructor. I have been teaching sign language for the past 8 years. I've had the privilege to teach adults, kids, hard of hearing, those who hear, the friends and family members of the hearing impaired. I've helped this one to become proficient in American Sign Language. So if you're looking to learn sign language, you have come to the right place. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced student. I make sure to tailor my classes to individual needs. So you know what to do. Book a class with me today. Let's talk about your learning goals and objective, how long you intend to learn sign language. So I will be waiting to see you in class. Until then, bye.